Good credit is essential. It can help you get a loan, buy a car, and rent an apartment. The higher your credit score, the better your chance of getting approved for these things. If your credit score is low, don't worry. There are things you can do to raise it this 2022. Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about learn how to dramatically increase your credit score. No one told you this 2022, so if you're interested in improving your credit rating, stick around and I'll show you how it's done. First, get a copy of your credit report and score from all three credit bureaus. Often people are surprised to find credit report errors that negatively impact their scores. By correcting these errors, you can immediately improve your credit rating. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand and what needs to be improved. Additionally, seeing your score from all three bureaus will give you a good idea of where to focus your efforts to improve your overall rating. If you have a low score from one bureau, you can work on improving that by paying down debts and maintaining a good payment history. You can quickly and dramatically improve your credit score by taking these steps. Second, do not close any unused credit cards. If you're looking to dramatically increase your credit score, one of the best things you can do is keep your unused credit cards open. This may seem counterintuitive, but new closing accounts can hurt your score. That's because one factor that goes into your credit score is your credit utilization ratio. This is the amount of debt you have compared to the available credit. So, if you have a lot of unused credit but no debt, your ratio will be meager, and that's good for your score. However, if you close new accounts, you'll reduce your available credit and potentially increase your ratio, which could hurt your score. So, if you're trying to improve your credit rating, it's best to keep those unused credit cards open and active. The third way on how to dramatically increase your credit card score this 2022 is to pay down high-interest debt. This will reduce the amount of interest you're paying on your debt, and it will also show creditors that you're serious about repaying your debt. By paying down your high-interest debt, you'll be freeing up cash that you can use to pay off other debts or save for future purchases. If you're unsure how to pay down your high-interest debt, a few options are available. You can transfer your balance to a low-interest credit card, negotiate with your creditors for a lower interest rate, or consolidate your debt into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Whichever method you choose, paying down your high-interest debt is an effective way to improve your credit score dramatically. Fourth, keep your utilization rate below 30%. Your credit utilization rate is one of the most significant factors that lenders look at when considering your loan application. Put simply, this is the percentage of your available credit you use at any given time. A high utilization rate signals to lenders that you may struggle to manage your debts, making it harder to get approved for a loan. To help improve your chances of getting approved for a loan, keeping your utilization rate below 30% is essential. This shows lenders that you can responsibly manage your credit and makes you a more attractive borrower. There are a few different ways to lower your utilization rate, such as paying down your balances or increasing your credit limit. Taking these steps can help dramatically improve your credit score and increase your chances of getting approved for a loan. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Fifth, don't apply for new credit cards or loans. Applying for new credit cards and loans can hurt your credit score. That's because when you apply for new credit, the lender will make a hard inquiry on your credit report. This can temporarily lower your credit score by a few points. Additionally, Each time you apply for new credit, it creates a new account on your credit report. Having too many accounts can be seen as a sign of financial instability and lead to a lower credit score. So if you're looking to improve your credit score dramatically, it's best to avoid applying for any new lines of credit. Instead, focus on using the lines of credit you already have responsibly and always pay your bills on time. 6. Always track your credit score. There are several ways to do this, but the most important thing is consistency. You can get free access to your credit score from several sources, including your credit card issuer and the 3 major credit bureaus. By tracking your score regularly, you'll be able to identify any potential problems early on and take steps to fix them. As a result, you'll be better positioned to get the best terms on loans and improve your overall financial health. The 7th way on how to dramatically increase your credit card score is to always pay on time. Your payment history is the most crucial factor in your credit score, making up 35% of your FICO score calculation. That's why it's critical to pay all your bills on time. Payment history records how you have handled credit accounts in the past, including whether you paid as agreed. If you have missed payments, get current and stay current. Plan how you will cover future expenses and ensure the debt won't damage your budget going forward. Also, remember that even one late payment can have negative consequences. A 30-day late price can drop your score by up to 100 points, and subsequent late payments can cause further damage. Even if you pay off a delinquent account, it will remain on your credit report for 7 years and continue dragging down your credit score. Payment history is one of the essential factors that creditors consider when determining your creditworthiness. So it's crucial to ensure that you're never late with a payment. Suppose you have trouble remembering to pay your bills on time, set up automatic payments so you won't have to worry about it. You can also sign up for email or text reminders from your creditors to always know when a payment is due. Finally, increase your credit limit. This has twofold effect. First, it lowers your credit utilization ratio, which is the percentage of your credit limit that you're using. Second, it shows creditors that you're responsible with credit and can handle a higher limit. If you're unsure how to increase your credit limit, start by asking your issuer for a higher limit, typically requiring a good for excellent credit score, but it's worth checking to see if you qualify. You may also get a higher limit by becoming an authorized user on someone else's account or by opening a new account and transferring some of your debt. Either way, increasing your credit limit is an easy way to boost your credit score. Your credit score is one of the most important numbers you have. It can affect everything from your ability to get a loan or mortgage to how much you pay for car insurance each month. Thankfully, there are things you can do to improve your credit score dramatically. Even if you don't think it's possible, follow these tips and start working on improving your credit today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.